And I am here today to help you rediscover and reconnect with your identity as a proud Pacific human being.
Talofa.
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 Partailava everyone for sharing. Now we're going to move into the next part of our program, which is learning the dance, the Samoan Sa. Now you see, the Samoan Sa originated from the art of slapping mosquitoes. But in this case, we're going to slap the Fia Palagi out of us. Okay? So on the count of 3, you're going to slap. Slap away, okay? 3, 2, 1, and slap. 3 range hands. Gluten free muffins. Go butcher. Electric toothbrush. Yoga pants. What's wrong?
Gluten-free muffins is why I look like this and you look like that.
All right. Welcome everyone to this next part of our program. It is called Merei. We've slapped out all the Fia Palagi on the outside, our external. Now we're working on the internal. We're going to eat all these staples of our Pacific people so that we can decolonize our insides. Dig in, everyone. All right. Good choice. Good. Karen. Karen. It is very disrespectful to turn up to a Pacific gathering and not eat the food that's been prepared for you.
Oh, I don't eat that food. Thank you though. Talofa.
Look, the whole point of this course is so that you can repent and turn away from your Palagi ways. If you want to pass this course, you're going to have to participate in all activities. Come on, you can do it. It's one of our staples.
Can I have a vegan one at least?
Okay, aloha everyone. We're going to move into the final part of our program, and that's the cleanup. So, just like how we've already slapped the Fia Palagi from our externals, we'll decolonize our insides by eating staples of our people, or staples of the Pacific, and now we're going to grab all that Fia Palagi, we're going to put it in the bin. Cool.
I'll get started. Oh, nah, my stomach hurts, hey.
Oh, okay.
I'll be back. Just give me a sec.
Oh, are you okay?
Mom. Yeah. Hey. Hey, did you need that money? Oh, you don't? Yeah, right. Nah, it's fine. I'll put it towards my trip to Queenstown. No worries. Yep. Yeah, no, I did. I got those. Thanks for those gluten-free muffins. That was great.
Must be nice. Is that island food? Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is incredible.
Mix on the plate, bro.
Really?
Yeah, all good.
Chop suey.
Yeah.
Taro. This is amazing.
Oh, help yourself make a plate, bro.
Really?
Yeah, all
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
I love your guys' culture. I mean, I only ever get to eat with my family once a year. So, this is incredible. Yeah. Thank you so much.
It's all good, honestly.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you.
It's all good. Take it easy, bro.
Cheers.
Okay, my Pacific brothers and... Why is there still a mess? Where is everyone?
Dad, can we go over training? Thank you.
I give up. Hey, call your mum. Tell her we're having vegetarian canopies for dinner.